This is videos on polar coordinates part 2. So here we're just going to actually work on plotting, doing a few more plots first. So let's try to plot the first one, A. And by the way, if some of this doesn't make sense, I recommend that you go back and check out part 1. I go in more detail about explaining all the parts of these polar coordinates. So first off, let's try to plot this A, which it's 2 with theta of 5 pi over 4. So let's see, let's start off here, and we're going to go around 5 pi over 2, so we're going to go around 1 pi, which is to here, and then again we're going to go another fourth of a pi to here, so then we're going to go out 2 from the origin, so we're going to come out 1, 2, so about there. That is point A. Now let's go on to point B. Let's try to plot this one. So here we have 3 with an angle of 3 pi, or with a theta of 3 pi. So again, we start here, we go around 1 pi, 2 pi, and then again for 3 pi. And then we're going to come out 3 units. So, well, we might not actually get out. 3 might be over here, but I'm just going to say it's here for now. We're going to call that B. So now let's go on and plot C. This is 1, a radius of 1 with an angle of negative 2 pi over 3. So since it's a negative 2 pi, we're actually going to start going in the clockwise direction. So we're going to start here, and we're going to go about 2/3 of a pi. So from here to here is pi, so about 2/3. That's going to be around somewhere around in this area. And it's going to be 1, so right about here, I'd say. And that would be C. So now let's go on to the next one, and let's plot D, which is has a radius of negative 2 and an angle of 3 pi over 4. So we're going to go on this one counterclockwise. We're starting here at the axis, and we're going to go around. So let's see, 3/4 of a pi. So I mean, here's 1 whole pi. Here is half a pi. So we're going to go in between these two right here. So from here to about here, that's about 3/4 of a pi. Now, it turns out that the radius is a negative 2. Normally we'd come from the origin out 2, but since it's a negative 2, we're actually going to go from the origin out this way. So I think that's about 2 right there. And this would be D. Now, when you're doing with the, like this one for instance, I didn't get too much into this one, but you'll notice that it's 3 pi. So for these, since they're polar, you just go around here as many times as it takes, because you can have you can land on the same spot many times with, and all you do is you just change, like instead of saying 3n, it would be like plus n, and then n would be the number of times that you would do this. So it could be, n could be 2, 3, or 4. That's just the multiple of how many times you're going to go around. So yeah. So I hope this video made sense. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next video, we're going to actually start getting into converting polar coordinates into rectangular. So, alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck in your classes.